How to use MU gel extension. Begin with prepping the nails with a file, then buff the nails slightly. Next, sizing the nail by selecting a MU tip that fits the nail's sidewall to the sidewall. Cleanse the nails with alcohol, then apply the MU acid-free primer. Place the finger on the glam up stand for support and balance. Apply a bead of the U gel to the pre-roughened area of the MU tip to cover the entire nail plate. Starting at the cuticle area, place the MU tip at a 45-degree angle and gently press the tip down slightly towards the free edge to smooth out the U gel. Flash cure for 10 to 15 seconds with a flash cure LED light while holding down the MU tip. After applying the tips on all 5 fingers, fully cure the whole hand inside the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Once both hands are fully cured, shape the nails with a 150 grit hand file. Refine the cuticle area if necessary. Finish with gel color if desired. Thanks for watching. For more information, check us out at YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.